So decided I'm going to camp the night, and this is a little campsite that I know of. It's quite overgrown right this very minute because there's been so much rain. There's quite a steep section here with a little pinch at the bottom. It's where you need good approach and departure angles, which we have, but I'm just going to nick it into low range for this.
Really work.
Of course, the camera makes it look easy, doesn't it? It's actually quite a bit steeper than what it looks. It's so overgrown it's hard to follow where the track goes. It's just as well I've been here before. This is it. A little bit overgrown, but you get that, especially when it's been raining a lot. Few flies, few mosquitoes. Guess I could have expected that a bit. Alright. I reckon that's us. Now you may have noticed things have changed a little bit in my little tourer. So we now have the 270-degree awning, which is awesome. They are so easy to quick put up and take down. No stress. In the back here, the platform bed I've taken out. It was only temporary anyway, but I found that it was causing more issues than it was worth. I mean, yes, the back seat is back in. I can lay stuff on the back seat. Plus all of this stuff is now protected. Well, I'm protected from it in case I have to brake hard. Even though it was tied down before, I just didn't feel quite as safe. We now have our drawers here for our snacks and basic supplies. And we have most of our cooking gear right here. Nice and handy to the table, which it wasn't before because I had to go all the way around to the right hand passenger door, open it up, and then struggle with these drawers because they didn't want to come out properly because they're on an angle. So much easier now. I still have my pressure pump, which is awesome, and the tank for it is just in the left rear footwell, so it's easy to get to, so I'm happy with that. What else has changed? Not a lot. Everything else, plus of course the piece of resistance, the King's 85 litre upright fridge fits in there just perfectly. Doesn't draw much power. I now have a lithium ion battery rather than a AGM. It copes with that perfectly. It can even charge the battery and run the fridge at the same time with the solar panel. I think it's 110 watts sitting up on the roof. So yeah, awesome rig. Happy with it. It's now done 300,000 kilometers. I haven't had a single issue with it. I bought it since new. Bought it in 2013, so it's 10 years old now. And yeah, just a great vehicle. Hasn't missed a beat. Can't say I slept very well last night. I was as blowy as a vegetarian grandfather. It's still blowing even now. Slept in a bit because I didn't see any point in getting up. But now, coffee. Thinks I'm running out of water. We just want to make sure that this ash is
completely doused. Yeah, that's sizzling, so it's still hot.